Kung ang hanap property ay malapit lang sa Manila, very accessible dahil along main road at under Pag-ibig Financing. Available rin ito sa bank financing at in-house financing. Ready for occupancy at no spot down payment dahil ang down payment nito ay payable ng 9 months. Don't skip this video. This is Pau Pipito, your home search buddy. Meron itong minimum lot size na 50 square meters. Kaya meron tayong provision for 1 carport at meron pa tayong service area na pwede mong gamitin para sa extension ng inyong kitchen or laundry area. Ang floor area nito ay 50 square meters kaya naman meron tayong enough space for living, dining at kitchen area. Semi-finished turnover ito kaya naman kasama na upon turnover ang room partition, ceiling, primary paint at complete fixtures sa mga toilet and bath. Total of 3 bedroom at 2 toilet and bath ang meron tayo dito. In terms of community, gated at secured ito at nature friendly ang ating community. Kaya naman napakasulit ito dahil ang monthly amortization lang nito ay 11,000. Located ito sa Barangay Sahodulan, Tansa, Cavite at along main road nga lang ito. Kaya naman 1 bus ride lang ito going to PITX. Approximately 60 minutes drive lang ito. Kaya naman kung interested ka, send me direct message para ma-schedule na natin ang exclusive house viewing mo. So, bye-bye!